welcome to It's Chowtime. I have created this channel to show you how I make easy home-cooked meals. On today's vlog, I'm gonna be making a crowd-pleasing dish called Bicol Express. Bicol Express is an ultimate comfort food and natively known in Bicol, located at the southern part of Luzon, Philippines. You're only gonna need few ingredients to make this dish. Now let's chop and mince some of the ingredients. If you like spicy food, then this one's perfectly made for you. Prepare your pan, add 3 tablespoons of canola oil and set the heat to medium-low. Sauté the garlic, onions, and tomatoes. Add the pork, sauté, and simmer it for 10 minutes. Add the shrimp paste and mix. Make sure to coat all the ingredients in the pan. Pour about a cup of coconut milk and stir it from time to time. Let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes or until the pork is tender. Then add the chilies. So there you have it, my version of Bicol Express. This dish is best served while it's hot, and of course with white rice. So thank you for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video and do not forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram account at _it's chowtime_ and on my Twitter account at it's chowtime. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!